In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to supercharge Webflow using libraries, whether you're designing your site from scratch or simply want to elevate it to the next level. This guide will show you how to effectively incorporate libraries into your Webflow projects. Let's begin by navigating to the Webflow website. This platform offers a powerful visual website builder that allows you to create custom sites without the need for coding knowledge. Simply type webflow.com into your browser and hit enter. Once you've reached the Webflow homepage, find and click on the Login button, which should be located conveniently at the top right corner of the page. Logging in brings you to your personal Webflow dashboard. This dashboard is the heart of your Webflow experience, offering a comprehensive overview of all your projects and settings. Next, from your dashboard, take a moment to choose a project that you'd like to enhance. Clicking on a project opens up the editor, which is where all the magic happens. You'll find yourself in a workspace designed for creativity and precision. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your workspace. Here, click on Add Elements. This section allows you to build out your website by adding various components, from basic elements like text and images to more advanced elements such as forms and components. Once you're in the Add Elements section, look for the Layouts option. Clicking on Layouts will bring up a menu of different layout configurations that provide a structured guide for placing your content. Using layouts is a fantastic way to maintain design consistency and efficiency across your website. The next step is to click on Starter Library. This option opens up a wide array of pre-designed sections, styles, and components that you can seamlessly integrate into your project. These libraries are specially curated to elevate your design without the hassle of designing every component from scratch. It's like having a toolbox filled with beautifully crafted, ready-to-use elements that maintain design coherence throughout your project. Incorporating these libraries can significantly enhance the aesthetic and functionality of your website, making it more engaging for your users. They also save you time and effort, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of your project rather than technical intricacies. So there you have it. A straightforward and efficient way to supercharge your Webflow projects using libraries. By familiarizing yourself with these steps, you can transform your web design process into an enjoyable, efficient, and productive experience. Remember, the key to mastering Webflow, and indeed any design tool, is to consistently practice and explore the myriad features available. Happy designing!